This one's rocking his head back and forth. I've been doing that quite a while now. I think it's under the influence of Nepali pop song or Indian pop song. Let's see. Kabhi nahi, kabhi nahi, kabhi nahi. Kabhi nahi, kabhi nahi, kabhi nahi. Or Wajiwa, Wajiwa, Wajiwa. Or dum 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 dum. That's a Kunti Muktan song. Any of those can work. Maybe he's slowed down a bit, but I don't think so. I think it's basically maintaining the same rhythm, same tempo. And this little guy over here has been demonstrating curiosity and wanting to get out. He's got the energy, hasn't had the training yet. Once out, but got that chain around his foot. Oh yeah, tinkering with it, wondering how to get that off of his foot. I wish I could figure that out. Uncuff me, sir.